Okay, we're going to go over the man-bear pig. The vertical angle theorem states when you make an X, like this, when you make an X, the angles facing each other are congruent. They're equal. So in this case, wow, that zoomed in terribly. There we go, got it. So in this case, angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. Angle 2 and angle 4 are equal. Yeah, the angles that are facing each other are equal. Yeah, anytime you make an X, that's true, as long as you make an X with straight lines. All right, cool. So you have some information here. It says angle 3 is 2x plus 40. Angle 1 is 4.5x plus 30. Set up an equation to find x and then the measures of all the angles. So what do we have here? It says right here that angle 3 is 2x plus 40. And then it says that angle 1 is 4.5x plus 30. What do you know, students? Boom, I know this. I know that angle 1 equals angle 3. So if I know these angles are equal and they've assigned some algebra noise to them, that means these two noises are going to be equal to each other. So that's what you do. You write it down. I know for a fact that 4.5x plus 30 is going to equal 2x plus 40. That's what I know to be true. It says it right there, okay? It's going to be true. So if you know it, write it and then do math. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and burn out a shortcut on this one here. Which variable has more? The 4.5x. How much more does it have? It's got 2.5 more. I'm going to write that down. 2.5. Okay, the numbers. You have 10 more. I have a feeling my last step is going to be 10 divided by 2.5. Don't believe me? Watch this. Minus 2x minus 2x. 2.5x plus 30 equals 40. Minus 30 minus 30. 2.5x equals 10. Oops, I forgot the x. Okay, divide both sides by 2.5. Hey, look at that. That's what I get for my answer. 10 divided by 2.5 is a number. I think I know what it is, but I just want to make sure. Hey, it's 4. Okay, cool. X equals 4. All right. So x equals 4, right? What does that mean? Oh, that means that if I put 4 in for x, I should get both of the angles. Now, you only need to do one because they are the same, so it doesn't matter which one you do. So 2 times 4 plus 40. Let's see, 2 times 4 is 8. So 48. Angle 3, you're 48. Angle 1, you're 48. So angle 1 and angle 3 are both going to be 48. Okay. Now, this might be a little bit outside of your realm, but there's two ways to figure out what angle 2 and angle 4 are. Well, how many degrees are in a circle, students? 360. So there's 360 degrees to spend on this circular shape. You've already spent 2 48s. What do you mean 2 48s? You spent 48 up here and you spent 48 up here. So how many degrees are left over on your circle? 264. But 2 and 4 are equal, so you must chop that in half. Okay, that's one way to do it. So I have a funny feeling that angle 2 and angle 4 are both going to be 132. Let me write that down. Sorry for chucking my calculator. Okay, I got a funny feeling they're both going to be 132. So again, how did I do that? You have 360 degrees to spend in a circle. You already spent 2 48s. You got 264 left for 2 equal angles. Okay. The other way is a little bit easier. What does that make right there, students? Look at that. What does that make right there? The answer is a straight line. How many degrees are in a straight line? You should know this from a previous lesson. Oh, there's 180 degrees in a straight line. If I've already spent 48, how much can I spend on the other angle? Let's take 180 minus 48. Oh, wow, same thing. 132. Okay, so you can think holistically, think circle, 360 degrees, or you can think linearly. Linearly, that's a fun made-up word. Linear pair is what it's called. A linear pair is a pair of angles that add to 180. I think I teased that earlier in a different skill check. But yeah, so if you take 180 minus 48, you'll get the 132, and then 132, 132. So there we go. So angle 2 and angle 4 are both 132. Again, angles are not to scale. This is apparent angle. Oh, sorry, apparent angle. This is a parent image. We just use the same image over and over to give you an idea, and then we just sprinkle in different numbers. All right, cool. That was the man, bear, pig. Angles and stuff. Set them equal to each other. Find x, use some common sense, and then you're going to be okay.